Kerala astrology. There is one of the astrological system which is called by the geographical name. That is called Kerala astrology. Kerala is the South Indian state in India. They have a unique practice of traditional astrology. So that is the reason the system of astrology itself called by their name of their state. Here we can see a wonderful unique style of the Kerala astrology. One is Ashtamangala Prashanna. That means that 8 auspicious things they will keep together and tell to use the person. Based on their behavior and attitude, they create the prediction for their life. Also, that is called Deva Prashanna, which is they will do the astrological activity on the temple, and they will use the planetary influences to understand what is the deity of the planet, try to convey the message to the public. So this is the very unique practices we can't see anywhere in the astrological system in the world. Apart from that, they will use the seashells, the small seashells like called Kavadi, and they will use the Prasanna system. So that is called Kavadi Prasanna. Also, they will use the betel leaves, and they will do the Prashanna, that is also there. And there is a sub-planet called Upagraha. They will use in their Prashanna system, that is called Mandi. The Mandi or the Gulika, that is indicates as a son of planet Saturn, and it have a very strange movement in the zodiac. Using that special planet and this kind of unique practices, their results will be very powerful. So the Kerala astrology have a fundamental basis from the traditional astrology, and by the practice they are totally different from the other practice of India. Prasanna Marga and much more other scripts are helping them to find the practice of Kerala system. There is only 2 important scripts, and they are not have a diversity of so many books and authors. So they are uniquely following the tradition using the 2 books of system of astrology, and the calculations and everything is very close to them by the language of their own location, and it is easy for them to follow the system of astrology directly from the author of Sanskrit or some more North Indian languages. Apart from that, practice with a high tradition value, that makes them very unique. Even though in the modern days, there is no much needed to use the seashells for practicing the astrology, but still they are following it to keep the traditional alive. Apart from that, they are using one of the very major important part of astrology is called Nimitta. The Nimitta is one of the very wonderful system based on the happening around on the particular time, or say like someone is asking a question about their future. That time they will observe the behavior of around and the person who is asking, in which body part they are touching and what happening around. Using that, they will interpret the prediction without having any calculation material. So that is called the Nimitta Prasanna or Nimitta. So these are all the very wonderful practices they have. So that is the one of the main reason the system of astrology is much more performing well in their location. So in Pranava Peedam, we are teaching that kind of astrology yearly once, because to give the importance of the style and the practices.